Hi guys, so for this project we will be using a 4mm or size 6 US crochet hook. The first thing we need to do is make a loop stitch, chain 15, half double crochet by 1 in every chain, starting here, when you get to the first one, half double crochet 5 into the same chain. And then go on the other side of the chain and half double crochet by 1 in every chain until you finish the row. Chain 1, turn your work around, half double crochet by 1 in every chain for the entire row. Chain 1, turn your work around, and then repeat the last row until you have a total of 12 rows. and then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so now that you have a total of 12 rows, slip stitch into the first one. Chain 1, and then half double crochet by 1 in every chain. And then go in here and half double crochet 1, and then to finish the row, slip stitch into the first one. Chain 1, and then continue to repeat the last row, and I will check back with you later. Okay guys, so when you get to this point and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 rows from the beginning, it's time to start decreasing. So we'll chain 1. So to start decreasing, we will yarn over, put it through the first chain, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the next chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, half double crochet 1, yarn over, put it through the next chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, put it through the next chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. And we will repeat these same steps for the entire row. Finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, chain 1, and on the next row we will put the yarn over the hook, put the hook through the next chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, Put the hook through the next chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all these stitches. And then repeat these same steps for the entire row. To finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, chain one, and then repeat the same steps from the previous row on this row. To finish the row, slip stitch into the first one, expand your last stitch, turn your slipper inside out, move your stitch to the back, now pull your working stitch through the last row. Secure your stitches, cut the yarn and loose the ends. Now turn your slipper to the right side, okay guys, and now we will learn to make a small bow. So the first thing we need to do is make a loop stitch, chain 4, and now triple crochet 3 into the first chain. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 4, slip stitch into the first chain, chain 4, triple crochet 3 into the same chain, chain 4, slip stitch into the same chain, expand your last stitch, put your work through it, Okay, and now take your yarn and wrap it around the middle of the bow. And then tie these two ends together. Cut the yarn. Now take your slipper and attach the bow to it. Pick the place where you want to attach the bow. Put your crochet hook through and pull the yarn. So that's one end, and then pull the other one in here, and then just secure it. You can leave it like this, or you can sew the edge. Okay guys, so this is how the finished slipper looks like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.